Now, as we are recording this, so this is the Public Wi-Fi Education platform where you can search on the Google directly Public Wi-Fi Education. After entering it, you will get this home page. Now, after that, when you scroll over down, you will have about Public Wi-Fi Education, what is all about, and even in the training area, we have screening test, psychology test, GTO, and PI, and they have different segments that we also focus on. Directly moving towards the features area, practice sets, mock interviews, email assistance, personal mentorship, improve communication, email review, lecturette practice, psychology tracker, daily task scheduled, GTO, task simulation, even personality development, current affairs, an SSB interview question bank, and community forum also we have where you can talk to each other. We have
Public Wi-Fi Education. Perseverance. Willpower. Basic ethics. Guiding you towards success.